If you crave stunning views but hate overcrowded spots, Al Hoceima is your perfect escape. Nestled between the Rif Mountains and the Mediterranean Sea, Al Hoceima is pure magic. Start your journey at Plage Quemado, a beach with crystal clear waters and golden sands. Next, hike up to Al Hoceima National Park, where rugged cliffs meet endless blue horizons. For a touch of culture, visit the Medina, where vibrant markets and local artisans showcase the heart of Morocco. Don't miss out on the Cala Iris Beach, a secluded paradise perfect for a peaceful retreat. End your day with a sunset view from Tala Youssef, where the sky paints a masterpiece over the Mediterranean. Pack your bags, because Al Hoceima is calling. See you there.